My name is Kyler Carpenter and you are watching T-Fits. T-Fit stands for The Future Is Today. I have my buddy Harrison here. I'm gonna take you guys through a beginner workout in the gym. So you get to the gym, you don't really know what you wanna do. You see a bunch of people doing a bunch of different things. Well, hey, here's a workout that you can do. Do it 2-3 days a week and you'll see some great results for a certain period of time. But the body always adapts. You always need to switch up your programming. So the first month in the gym, go ahead and do this routine. We're gonna start out with split stance squats. Harry, if you could put that bar on your back. Yep. Very nice. We're gonna start with your left foot forward, right foot is gonna come back. It's gonna be on the toe. You're gonna bring your back knee straight down to the ground, nice and slow and controlled. We're doing hypertrophy rep range today. That's 8 to 12 reps. That's gonna be 3 seconds on the way down. So 1, 2, 3. And for demonstration purposes, we're just gonna go to 10 reps for each leg today. We're gonna show you guys one set. But what I want you guys to do is 3 sets of every exercise, break about a minute in between each set. Good, very nice. Go ahead and start immediately with the other leg. Unilateral movements are phenomenal for correcting imbalances, and that just means your legs are working one at a time. So always start with your weak leg and then match that rep number with the opposite leg, even though your strong leg could probably do more reps. Great control. I'm looking for the back leg to be at a 90, this one to be at about a 90. That knee is staying in line with that toe. Good. The next exercise we're gonna do is called a single leg deadlift. Go ahead and start with your weak leg, Harry. One foot's gonna come right in the middle of the kettlebells. Yep. Other foot is gonna go back. Reach down, grab, make sure you pinch your shoulders first. Come up, step through. Yep, and then step back down. So with this, it's a little bit less squat, so your knee is not gonna bend a whole lot. Yep, so try to keep your leg a little bit straighter when you do that. Come down, bring the chest, yes, just like that. Good. A lot of tension on the glute and the hamstring. Keep your chest high, stay pinched. Good, yep. We're gonna do 10 repetitions each leg. If you can, try to reach down, touch that ground, yes. Good job, Harrison. This requires some stability, so you'll feel a little bit off balance, but that's a good thing. You want stability. Movements that require skill is gonna require more adaptation, meaning the body's gonna adapt more and see more results. Come over here, grab those 15s, you're gonna lay flat on your back. Good, yep. So with the dumbbell bench, we're gonna start at like a 45-degree angle. You're gonna be down here. Put your shoulders in a little bit better position and then you're gonna press up. Make sure when you press, you don't round your shoulders forward, so keep your shoulders pinched. I want your chest to be nice and high as you can. Nice big gap underneath. I should be able to reach my hand underneath your back. Yep. And then as always, you're driving with your legs, so you're really using your whole body. Yep, we're doing 10 repetitions. Good job. Yep. Keep those shoulders pinched. Good. Very nice. Remember, 3 seconds on the way down. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Good. Yep. And he's doing a great job of breathing through the nose on the way up, and then you're breathing out the mouth on the way down. The next movement we're gonna do is an incline bench. So your stomach is gonna be on this bench over here. Go ahead and, I'll hand him the weights. Just go ahead and get flat on the bench. Yep. So this is a row. You're retracting, squeezing your shoulder blades together. So really bringing these shoulders back and squeezing. 10 reps, 3 seconds on the way down. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. The reason I like the bench is because it takes out the momentum. So if you just bend over, you can kind of throw the weight a lot. This really helps you focus on your form. Great job. Body is nice and flat on the bench. Full range of motion, still controlling the movement. Good. Go ahead and set these down. The next one, go ahead and grab the 10s. I'm gonna show you guys what are called dumbbell side lateral raises. So for these, you're gonna start with the dumbbells at your side, and we're gonna bring them out. So when they come out, I want you to tilt them forward just slightly. Yep, so like that, just like that. Kind of like you're pouring out pitchers of milk. And what that does is helps keep your elbow higher than your wrist, so you're not using a lot of forearms, you're not coming up like this. Good. We're doing 10 repetitions, same rule applies, 3 seconds on the way down. What I like to tell my clients is momentum is not a muscle. Great job, Harrison. All right, the next one is gonna be for the core. We're gonna do a bench reverse crunch, so go ahead and lay flat on your back. The knees are gonna come up, and the main thing with this movement is that you're curling your spine, yep. And you can use the bench as support, so you can bring your arms up here and grab the bench. That'll help you just hold yourself in place, just like that. We're gonna do 10 repetitions. So remember, we're demoing just one set, but I want you guys to do about 3 sets, and give me about a minute break in between each set, okay? Good, nice and control, 1, 2, 3, yes. Good. You're doing great, Harrison. Good job. Even though this is a beginner workout, it's gonna be challenging, okay? The last movement we're gonna do are called farmer walks. So you're gonna carry as much weight as you can carry with good form and technique. So we have some kettlebells over here. I'll demo for you, Harry. When you pick it up, it's gonna be like a deadlift. Make sure you're nice and straight. Stand up, and then we're gonna walk for about 15 yards or so. So go ahead and pick these up. Yep, nice and straight. And then you're just walking, chest is high, nice controlled steps, just like that. This gets your whole body working, engaged. You're using your arms, your back, your chest, everything to hold that weight up. Go ahead and turn around, walk back. Yep. I really want control. I don't want you to just rush through this movement. Do about maybe 15 to 20 yards. You can go ahead and set them down right there. And do about 3 sets, okay? So this is such a great routine for you to do starting out. Like I said, you could do it about 2-3 times a week, and you'll see phenomenal results. So if you're looking for more content, I have more YouTube videos. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And you can also find me on Instagram or Facebook. I'm gonna put those links down below.